Lisa Briggs from the Bruce Company is here answering your plant and garden questions that you submit to Facebook. We'll get to those. Our phones are still down.
Yes.
You got to pay that bill. Keep telling them. Tell them coming, pay the bill. But anyway, we're working on that, so we'll soldier forward, as they say.
Yes, we will carry on.
What have you here?
So this is it's in the carnation family. Dianthus is the Latin name, or pinks, as we call them. They're really great for like rock garden applications. So places where it's sunny and the soil might be a little bit dry, you have really well-drained soil, so not holding a lot of water. So a good plant for a drier condition. It's also fairly rodent-proof. In general, rodents and animals don't like to eat things when the foliage is kind of blue. That's one of the things you can look for, because there's a waxy coating on the leaf that makes it that color, and so I guess it has a weird mouthfeel. They also don't like things that are like picky or fuzzy or very strongly scented. Like rosemary or Russian sage has that really strong scent.
Full sun? Full
sun, yes. Yeah, it could probably take a little bit of shade, I would say, but it's going to want 6 hours of sunlight.
Okay.
So, yeah, but it's pretty, and they come in a variety of colors, but usually pinks and reds and maybe sort of these maroony colors, but very sweet.
Very nice.
Yeah, we just got a huge shipment of perennials in this morning. So,
really?
Yeah.
Plenty of time.
Plenty of time left.
Let's check out Facebook here. Stephanie wrote in, I planted tomatoes in a pot this year, added a fertilizer pouch and lime to the dirt, and still getting blossom rot. What could be done to prevent that, and what can I do to... Well, she has a two-part question.
She does.
Let's do that one first.
Let's do that one first. So blossom end rot is a problem with tomatoes that is caused by a calcium deficiency. And usually it's not a problem in the garden, but in pots it is, because you use potting soil or raised bed mix, and there's not a lot of fertility in there. So I don't know what kind of fertilizer pouch Stephanie used, but what she wants is one that is formulated for tomatoes, because it will have calcium in it. The other thing that sometimes exacerbates this problem is also an issue in pots. When the pot has uneven watering, when it's wet and then it's dry and it's wet and it's dry, it also exacerbates the problem. So, Stephanie, keep your tomatoes in your pots well watered, like evenly watered, and get some fertilizer that's got calcium in it.
Don't overwater.
Don't overwater either, but when the top is dry to the touch, you want to water. You don't want them to like super dry out.
All right. She also sent in a picture.
Yes, she did.
She wanted to know what these white bugs are.
So I was looking at it on Mark's phone. It's probably either aphids or some kind of mealybug. So it's an easy insect to take care of. It's soft-bodied, so any of the insecticides that are rated for fruiting plants will work. 8 is one, Captain Jack's dead bug. There are a number of them on the market that are safe for veg. You just need to make sure that you read the instructions to see how much time between when you apply it and when you harvest.
All right. Jennifer posted a dilemma apparently facing gardeners across the nation. She bought jalapeno plants, but instead of green jalapenos, she's getting yellow Hungarian wax fruit. Online postings seem to indicate this is happening in many places.
I was sort of taken aback by this. I have not heard of this problem, although Mark said your brother.
Yeah, he bought it.
So I'm thinking that somewhere somebody bought them from a big grower, and maybe the plants were just mismarked, because there's no way your jalapenos are not sort of morphing into Hungarian wax peppers. They're completely different. I will say, though, that Hungarian wax peppers are delicious. They're very good pickled and stuffed. And so they're milder than a jalapeno, and all I can say is it's probably just a mismark.
Just enjoy them.
Yes, just enjoy them.
All right. We're out of time, Lisa. Thank you.